Hey, I'm Joey from Dad Simply Cooking, and this is Aspen. And today we're going to be making some stuffed biscuits. This is one of those recipes that no matter how many times we've made it, it's always a requested dish in this house. So we're going to make the biscuits from scratch. We're going to make everything. So I have 1 pound of breakfast sausage here and 6 eggs. So we're going to get to roll with that. So on my stove, I'm going to go ahead and throw my sausage up there. We're just going to start breaking it up. Then start cracking my eggs on in. Six eggs. And then we're just going to break those eggs on down and start a good mixing. Milk into our eggs. And you can't forget your cheese. Alright, let's smooth this out and then set it off to the side. While our sausage is cooking, I got some pepper jack cheese and I got some Kobe jack cheese. They're cousins. They don't really get along though. I know, I don't think you're supposed to. Watch your fingers. Crack, crack, crack. So, what we want to do, we want to get 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. And I put it in my sifter. The sifter is going to make it airy, lighty, and make it more so you can like put layers and stuff in it. All right, so then I'm just going to sift that flour on into my bowl. Sifter was like 97-cent Walmart. Get my cheese grated. I just grated cheese in. And grate some butter. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You're going to take your buttermilk. We're going to do 1 cup of buttermilk. Fork that in. Put a little bit of flour down on your countertop. And we're just going to dump out our mixture. Once we get it forked in enough, this way we can start kneading it. If you need to add extra fluid, you can. Start in with a 1/2 cup of buttermilk and then work your way up. So typically the way I like to start doing things is I'll take the side and I'll start pushing it in. Now if you want to, you can grab some cheese. You can throw some cheese in to your mix. Then we're going to start folding and kneading in. For a good layer flaky biscuit, fold about 9 times and you can get a good thick flaky biscuit. With this, we're not too worried about getting those layers and the flakiness because we're going to be making these into biscuit bombs, essentially. Take my rolling pin. I guess your biscuit cutter. grab your mixture. It has cooled down significantly. We're gonna grab our biscuit, roll it out. Where your cheese comes in, leftover cheese right there. Grab my mixture. I'm using a tablespoon and some crushed red pepper. Lift it up and start folding. All right, once you get your biscuits, throw them in the oven, 400 degrees, until they start getting golden brown. Look at those. Oh, these are heavy today, y'all. Might just be a while since I made them or something. I don't know. Oh, cheesy stuffed biscuits, y'all. I tell you what. All right. These look amazing. Ugh. We have the pull apart camera here. Oh, look at that. It's just filled. Second pull apart. Oh. One thing we have left is to try this. These biscuits. Let me tell you. Every time I make them, they just taste better and better. The pepper jack and the Kobe work great together. Then the egg, the richness, the sausage, a little bit of kick from the red chili flake. 10 out of 10. Love you.